Hello guys, how are you? Today's our video about Dallas truck accident lawyer. So now I can guide you how you can contact your lawyer or discuss your case from them. This site is very useful and you can know each and everything from this video. So let's start truck accident. You know that last video is 18-wheeler truck accident, and I am sharing lots of information in three parts. You must watch these videos, and then you can watch this video. They all are very important and informative. So let's start this video. Truck accident on this page. How do you know if you have a truck accident claim? Why are truck accident more complex than other types of cases? Truck accident FAQs. Get help from a Dallas truck accident attorney today who can be held liable after truck accident. Texas. Why do you need a Dallas truck accident lawyer to handle your case? How much is your truck accident claims worth? How is fault determined in a truck wreck in Dallas? How long do you have to file a semi-truck accident lawsuit in Texas? These are the major topics which are discussed in this video, and you know each and everything from this video. So let's start our first point. An accident involving in an 18-wheeler can forever change your life. Catastrophic injuries can leave you facing long-term medical treatment while unable to work. The physical, emotional, and financial toll can be overwhelming if you were injured in a truck accident caused by a negligent driver, trucking company, or other part is in Dallas. You shouldn't have to face these boundaries burdens alone. The Dallas truck accident attorney at the can help. One of the best truck accident lawyer in Dallas, while decades of experience and a commitment to outstanding service, or attorney are ready to step in immediately and help you demand the full and fair compensation you deserve. Contact us today for a free case review. You don't pay for our service unless we recover payment for you. These all videos which are shared in last days, they all sites are free of cost. They are mentioned their number, their physical address. You can go there whenever you win your case, then they are charged. Otherwise they are not charged any $1. So this is very useful. There is a video which describe you what type of this site helped you, how you can find lawyer, and this is a small video you can watch from their sites. How do you know if you have a truck accident claim? Determining liability and seeking compensation after an accident involving two passenger vehicles can be challenging. Pursuing compensation after a truck accident claim can be exponentially more complicated. To determine whether you have a valid personal injuries claim, you will need to secure evidence showing that another party was negligent and that negligence led to your crash. The other party could be a truck driver, trucking company, cargo leading company, third party maintain entity, truck parts manufacturer, or many others. I am stopped many times. That's why sometimes I am confused. Sometimes it is tongue twister. That's why I'm stopped. So please ignore these things and focus on the video. Please like, subscribe my channel, and also push the bell notification that all my new videos is you can see. So next point is you will also have to show that you were injured and suffered other losses as a direct result of the crash. This includes both economic and non-economic losses. If these elements exist in your case, you could be eligible to seek compensation from the at-fault party or parties. A Dallas truck accident attorney can review your case for free and explain your legal option. The next point is why are truck accidents more complex than other types of crashes? Truck accident cases in Dallas are often more complex because of the unique nature of commercial motors vehicles and the trucking industries. Some of the reasons these cases are so complicated include: point number one, more serious injuries and losses because a fully loaded 18-wheeler can weigh off up to 80,000 pounds. The injuries it can cause in a collision are often catastrophic. Victims often need expensive medical treatment and suffer other losses that have a ripple effect across their entire life. Second point, truck are complex vehicle. Trucks are also highly sophisticated vehicles with systems that require specialized skill to inspect and maintain. Truck accident victims need knowledgeable injury attorneys who understand how commercial motor vehicles operate and how to investigate these cases. Next point, unique rules and regulation. Truck drivers must also adhere to state and federal regulation regarding the number of hours they can work and when they need to take break for rest. As part of a truck accident claim, attorney must investigate how the crash happened and whether these rules and regulations were broken. Multiple insurance policies might be in play. More layers of insurance may be available to compensate victims of semi-truck accident in a typical car accident. The other party's insurance policy would likely be the only source of compensation available. When a truck accident occurs involving multiple labor parties, there could be multiple sources of compensation, multiple insurance companies to pursue. This is the map you can follow and find their place. This is the physical address of uh, address, and you can find their location by Google Map. So it's little bit lengthy video. That's why I'm stop this video here. Next part in next video. Thank you so much.